Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2011 question 11. A. We are given sin of x equals 0.6, and we will use a right-angled triangle to find 1 minus tan of x. The question says, given that sin of x equals 0.6 and 0 less than x less than or equal to 90 degrees, find 1 minus tan of x. We're told to leave the answer as a fraction over b, where a and b are integers. So we should avoid giving a decimal answer. Sin of x equals 0.6. (0.6) equals 6 over 10. (6 over 10) equals 3 over 5. Sin of x equals 3 over 5. Sin of x equals opposite over hypotenuse. Sin of x equals 3 over 5. Opposite over hypotenuse equals 3 over 5. Opposite equals 3. In a right-angled triangle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. This means the opposite side can be 3 and the hypotenuse can be 5. We use these two sides to draw a right-angled triangle. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. 1 metatarsus tan of x. Tan of x equals opposite over adjacent. Opposite equals 3. Adjacent equals y. Since this is a right-angled triangle, we use Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse is 5, and the two shorter sides are y and 3. Now square the known numbers. 5 squared equals 25, and 3 squared equals 9. To make y squared, the subject subtract 9 from both sides. So, y squared equals 16, and therefore, y equals 4. Now the triangle is complete. The opposite side is 3, the adjacent side is 4, and the hypotenuse is 5. This is the familiar 3, 4, 5 right-angled triangle. Now we can find tan of x. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. For angle x, the opposite side is 3, and the adjacent side is 4. So, tan of x equals 3 over 4. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 1 metatarsus tan of x. Tan of x equals 3 over 4. Now return to the expression in the question. We already found that tan of x equals 3 over 4. So substitute 3 over 4 in place of tan of x. 1 meter setercinus 3 over 4. One equals 4 over 4. To subtract, write 1 as a fraction with denominator 4. Since 4 over 4 equals 1, we can write the expression as follows. Now the denominators are the same. Subtract the numerators and keep the denominator. This gives 1 over 4. Therefore, 1 minus tan of x equals 1 over 4. This framed result is the final answer for the question. To summarize, we changed 0.6 to 3 over 5. This gave us a right-angled triangle with opposite side, 3, and hypotenuse, 5. Using Pythagoras, we found the adjacent side to be 4. Then, tan of x equals 3 over 4, so 1 minus tan of x equals 1 over 4. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.